Hello, my dear students. Hope you guys are all doing good. Hope you guys are all perfectly fine. This is CA Mahamood Shaik, and I teach the subject of Audit and GST for the CA and CMA students. Now that the CA Inter Group 1 examinations are over, you might be the one who is planning to give your examination for Group 2 in September 2024 or later, like Jan 2025. Now, this video is going to be for you guys. If you are the one who is planning to give your Group 2 for September 2024 or later attempts, this video is going to be for you. In this video, I'm going to share the details of our lectures, CA Inter Auditing lectures for the September 2024 attempt and later. So complete details will be shared in this video. Please watch this video till the end. See, before I talk about the details of the lecture, before I talk about how many hours of content will be there, what is the validity of the course, how many views we are going to get. So I will come to that part later. First, let me address one most important question which might be there in your mind. So if you're watching this video, you might have one important question in your mind. Sir, there are so many options available. Why choose you? Why you have to choose me? So why you have to take my auditing lecture? So what is the thing which I'm going to offer to you? So that is one thing which I have to clarify. So first I will talk about it, then I will talk about the features of our lectures. See, before I explain why you have to choose me, I would like to ask you one simple question. I'm going to ask you a question first. If you have already given the auditing examination earlier, you have already given CA Inter auditing examination earlier, did you come across certain circumstances where you are sitting in the examination hall, the question paper of the auditing has been given to you, you have started reading the question and you are completely blanked out. You read the question, you are unable to understand what exactly they are trying to say. Or sometimes you read the question, you will not be able to make out what this question is expecting from us. Or sometimes you will read the question, multiple concepts from multiple chapters start flowing to your mind, and you are sitting in a confused state. Sir, what exactly I have to write the answer here? Which concept I have to write it as an answer for the given question? This also you might have faced. And especially when you read the MCQs, you will read the MCQ question, you will start reading the options, you will feel like all the four options are correct, which one I have to choose. Did you come across these kind of circumstances? You might have. So we are doing all our preparation, we are sitting, we are reading, but still we are facing this difficulty in the examination. We are unable to understand the question only. We are getting confused which answer has to be written for which question. So what is lacking in us, sir? What we are lacking to get through this auditing examination? Why we are unable to understand the question? Why we are unable to write the appropriate answers for the auditing question paper? So what is the thing which is stopping us? What we are exactly lacking? Let me make it very clear, guys. The thing which is lacking in you all is conceptual clarity. So the only thing which is standing between you and passing of the CA Inter auditing examination, the only thing which is standing between you and passing of the examination is that conceptual clarity. If you don't master that conceptual clarity, if you don't get to the roots of the concepts of the audit, so keep it aside answering the questions, you will not be able to understand the question only. So if you don't have the conceptual clarity, forget about writing the answers. You will not be in a position to understand the question only. So conceptual clarity, especially for the subject of audit, is going to be damn important, 100% important. If you lack this important skill of conceptual clarity of the auditing concepts, trust me guys, you are not going to get through the examination. I'm very sorry to say this, but if you don't have conceptual clarity, you are not going to make through the CA Inter auditing examination. Gone are those days where you mug up the content and reproduce the same in the examination and you will get good marks in the examination. Gone are those days. That will no longer work today. Today, if you look at the question paper pattern, you are not able to find the direct questions in the examination. Every kind of question is a scenario based question. And if you look at the MCQs involve so much of concept that just to get the facts of the case, reading the MCQ, understanding the options itself is going to take a lot of time. So gone are those days where you mug up the content, you read each and every line from the material, you are very good at mugging up the content, and if you want to reproduce the same in the examination, if you are thinking of this kind of strategy, I will mug up the content, I will read each and everything, I will reproduce the same in the examination. Sorry to say this once again, you are in a wrong path. You are definitely in a wrong path. So mugging up is not going to work for the auditing examination. The only savior for you, The only thing which is going to help you out for getting through the auditing examination is having the conceptual clarity. So that is what I am going to offer you from my side. So if you take up my lectures, I can assure you one thing, I am going to give you the complete conceptual clarity. You will not feel learning the subject of audit as a burden. Learning the subject of audit is going to become a fun and an interesting task, and you will start looking the auditing subject from an altogether different perspective. So my way of teaching is I will try to link the theory with the practical concepts. So just my way of teaching will not be like I'm reading a paragraph from the material and I'm explaining that in a simple language. No, that is not what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you visualize the theory part of the audit with the practical audit world. That is what my distinguishing feature, that is what the response which I generally get from my students. So the thing which distinguishes me, the distinguishing feature of my lectures is bringing that conceptual clarity to the classroom, bringing that practical experiences to the classroom so that you will not forget that concepts. So that is what I'm going to offer from my side. That is what I can assure you. So if you are going to learn along with me, I will nurture you. I will equip you with all the tools which are going to help you for getting to the auditing examination. So that will be taken care of. So that is what the assurance from my side. So you can happily and very confidently, without any second thought, you can choose me for helping you to get through the auditing examination. I don't want to talk much about it. So I think I have addressed the issue, what differentiates me from others and how can I add value to you. See, you always look for value addition. So this is how I'm going to add value to you if you are going to learn along with me. Right. So having said that, I don't want to waste much of your time. Now I will directly come to the point. So what are the features of the lectures? What are the characteristics of the lectures? What is the mode of delivery? How you can access it? Where you can purchase it? What is the validity? What is the views? So everything I'm going to sort it now. So talking about, sir, what kind of lectures it is? These are all recorded lectures. These are all going to be video lectures. These are all recorded lectures. And these lectures are all recorded very recently, and these lectures are completely going to be in line with the new scheme. So as you all know, we are about to give the new scheme of examination. You're already giving the new scheme examinations under new scheme from this May 2024 attempt. So whatever lectures I'm going to offer you for this September 2000 attempt or later, so those are recorded, very recently recorded lectures, and everything is as per the new scheme. The lectures are all curated as per the requirements of the new scheme. And when you buy the recorded lectures, the physical copy of the main material also will be delivered to you. You are going to get a copy of the main material, which is completely going to be in line with the study material, right? Next, sir, few more things to address here. So the lectures are going to be recorded lectures, and if you buy the lectures, you are going to get a copy of the material. Sir, what is the language in which I am going to take up the classes? Till now, the way you have heard me, in the same way I am going to take up the classes also. So the point which I want to say here is the classes are going to be completely in English. See, there is actually an advantage in listening to the classes in English. Why? Because if you learn the concept in English, you are required to give the examination also in English. See, if you stick to the regional language, what will happen is when you understand the concepts, when you listen to the concepts in your regional language, you will feel comfortable. In the classroom, that comfort will be there. But when you sit for the preparation, when you sit for writing the examination, that comfort will be lost. Why? Because you are listening to the classes in the regional language, but you have to learn in English. So first, whatever understanding you had in your regional language, that you have to adopt it to English, and you have to remember the content in the English, and you have to reproduce the content in the English. So there is a lot of gap here. If you want to fill that gap, so you have to learn the concepts also in English. You have to listen to the classes also in English. So that is going to avoid a lot of time wastage. So there is actually an advantage. So in listening to the classes in English, I'm very much supportive in this. So that's why my classes are going to be completely in English. 100% English lectures are going to be there. Even examples, everything is going to be completely in English. Sir, is it going to be a complicated English? No, I'm not going to use any kind of Shashi Tharoor's kind of English. So my English is going to be very simple, which a normal student can understand without any trouble. I'm not going to use any complicated words. I'm not going to make a display of any of my communication skills here. So just I'm going to use the plain simple English which every student can easily understand it. So if you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell you till now, that means in the same way my classes are going to be there also. That means you will be able to understand my classes also. If you are able to understand till now whatever I have told, definitely you will be able to understand my classes also. If you want to get more comfort, okay, whether I will be able to understand this person's way of delivery, this person's way of communication, whether will I be comfortable with that or not. If you still have that doubt, so we already have a YouTube channel. In that YouTube channel, plenty of lectures are there, plenty of concepts have been explained. Just have a look at them. Automatically things will get sorted out. Okay, so the classes are going to be completely in English. It is going to be 100% English lectures. They are going to be. Then, sir, what is the duration? How many hours of lectures are there? So there are close to 110 hours of lectures. There are close to the lectures of 110 hours. So you are going to get 110 hours of lectures. Sir, what will be the validity of this course? What is going to be the validity? The validity is going to be 7 months. From the date of purchase, from the date of activation, you are going to get the 7 months of validity. Sir, how many views I'm going to get? You will get 1.7 views. You will get how many views? 1.7 views you are going to get. Sir, what do you mean by 1.7 views? So 1.7 views in the sense, if there is a video, if there is a lecture for 100 minutes, I will allow you to watch that video for 170 minutes. That means for one full time you can watch this video. If at all you want to rewatch any specific part of the video, you can watch it. Extra 70 minutes you will have. So like this, for every video you will get 1.7 views. So I spoke about the mode of delivery, I spoke about the number of hours, I spoke about views, I spoke about validity also. Now, coming to the concept, coming to the question of, sir, how can I access this? How I'm going to access these lectures? In which devices I can access it? So we have both the options available. You can access your lectures either on mobile or iPad or any kind of tablet. And also we have an option, we have also given the option for the students to watch the lectures even on laptop also. For laptop, we go for G Drive classes. So if you want to watch your classes on mobile or iPad or tab, what you should do? If you are an Android user, you have to go to Play Store, download an app called FinGains Academy. You have to download an app called FinGains Academy. Link anyhow, I will give it in the description of this video. Go to the Play Store, download that app FinGains Academy. You log into that app. There all the courses will be listed. Directly you can purchase it from that. And I'm telling you the price of the course is going to be 4299. This is the price of the course. This is going to be the price of the course. In this course, you are going to get the lectures as well as physical copy of the material. So if you are an Android user, go to Play Store, download the app FinGains Academy. The moment you download the app, everything is self-instructive. You can find the courses, whatever you want, you can purchase it. Sir, if I am an iPad user or if I am an iPhone user, if I want to play my lectures on iPad or iPhone, we have option for that also. You do one thing, go to App Store. In the App Store, you have to download an app called Class Plus. For this also, I will give you a link in the description. Every detail, the way of installing the apps and all, everything you will be able to find it in the description. No need to worry about it. So in case if you want to watch your lectures on iPad or iPhone, so you have to download an app called Class Plus. And after downloading this app, you have to log in. At the time of login, in case of iPhone or iPad, it will ask for organization code. You have to use the organization code OXIGY. Once again, I am telling you, no need to remember all this below. Just check the description. Everything will be provided there. So this is how these apps, if you download it, from there you can buy the course and you can start watching it. Sir, if I want classes on my laptop, I want to watch my lectures on laptop, then don't buy it on the mobile or iPad. Don't buy it on these applications. You do one thing, go to our website, www.fingainsacademy.com. Don't worry about this. This link also, I will give it in the description. So if you want to watch your lectures on the laptop, you do one thing, go to this website, just to go and visit this website. Every detail you'll be able to find there. From there you can purchase the lectures. If you purchase it from the website, then I can give you access to the lectures on laptop. So this is how you can get access to the lectures either on your mobile phones or even on the laptop also. We have an option. Clear everybody till here? Now coming to the doubts. Okay sir, you are going to give us the recorded lectures, but while watching the lectures, if we get the doubts, what we have to do? See, if you are getting doubts, you are an excellent student. I always admire my students who ask me the doubts. Why? Because by way of asking the doubts, you are giving me an opportunity to do the more research. So I am always thankful to those students who ask me the doubts. We are actually doing a favor by asking the doubts to me. So it is quite common when you are watching the lectures, you should get the doubts. When you are getting the doubts, that means you are learning. When you are getting the doubts, that you are learning. So if you get any doubts, you need not hesitate. don't keep the doubts to yourself. I will give you my WhatsApp number. You can directly WhatsApp your doubts to me. Definitely you are going to get the reply by evening of that day, or the next day morning you will get the reply. If you don't get the reply by that, you can directly give me a call on that number. I will make sure that you will get the reply. If at all, if there is any delay, you can make it directly, you can directly call to me. And one more thing, for this attempt September 24 and Jan 25, what I'm planning to do is every week on a Saturday for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, we'll have a live session, either in Zoom or Google Meet. We will have a live session. So you all can join, links will be shared with you. You all can join. We can have a live face-to-face interaction, and there you can directly ask me the doubts. I can clarify. So every week for 1 hour or 1.5 hours on Saturday, on some time, the time will be informed to you. We will have, we'll conduct one Zoom or Google Meet live session. Links will be shared with you. You can join. So directly you can see me. I can see you. So you can ask me the question. I can help your doubts to get clarified. So this is what we are planning to do, to get the doubts sorted. And trust me guys, I will feel very happy if you are asking me the doubts. Why? Because I'm telling you once again, by asking the doubts, you are doing a favor on me. You are doing a favor on me by asking the doubts. So I always admire the students, whoever are asking the doubts. Clear? So I think I have told you about all the features of the lectures. So these lectures are going to be recorded lectures, and these lectures are completely in line with the new scheme. Lectures are going to be completely 100% in English. Total 110 hours of content will be there. 1.7 views I'm going to offer. And next, what else? So pricing also I have told, it's going to be 4299 for course along with material. If you don't want material, you can tell me. So I will reduce the price of the material and offer you only the lectures also. You can get a printout from the soft copy at any point of time. If at all you want only lectures, not the material, just give me a hi on my WhatsApp number. The number also you'll find it in the description, and tell me your concerns. Or I don't want material, I want only video lectures. I will share the coupon with you. That coupon you can use so that you can get only lectures without any material, if at all you choose for it. Right. So you can get the access of these lectures either on mobile or iPad or even on tablet, or even there is an option to access the lectures on the laptop also. I told you how you can buy these lectures. And finally, I have given a clarification regarding the doubts as well. So these are the features of the course which I wanted to share it with you. Still, if you have any more concerns, still if you want to know further about these lectures, you can always feel free to reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is going to be 9398068045. This is my WhatsApp number. You can always feel free to WhatsApp me if you need any further details. And if you want to get the demo, sir, how the classes are going to be, so what will be the flow, how you are going to teach. If you want to get the demo, our YouTube is full of demo lectures only. So in the YouTube, I have explained various concepts. So actually those concept videos, those concept whatever I have explained, those are actually taken from those regular recorded lectures only. So our YouTube is full of demo videos only. You take up any concept to watch the lecture. If you feel comfortable, then only you buy it. Okay. So yes, guys, that's all from my side. All the very best for your examinations and for your results and whatever exam you have given. For all that things, all the very best. If you want any further details, you always feel free to reach out to me. So I think I have covered everything. In case if I missed any detail, so you can always tell me in the comment section. I can reply back to you, or even you can WhatsApp me. So that's all from my side. Take a wise decision, guys. Consider all the things whatever I have told and take a wise decision. Thank you so much. Bye everybody. Take care.